My dear children, in this module we are going to solve one problem under written down value method. On 1st January 2011, a company purchased an equipment at a cost of rupees 1,40,000 having a lifespan of 5 years. The depreciation rate is 20%. Calculate the depreciation from 2011 to 2015 using declining balance depreciation method. Also calculate the salvage value of the equipment at the end of the year 2015. Now we are going to solve this problem. The given information is that the cost of the asset or the cost of the equipment given, that is rupees 1,40,000. The rate of depreciation equal to 20%. Charge depreciation for 5 years. This is the question. Now we are going to, first step is to calculate the amount of the depreciation. How can you calculate the amount of depreciation? Here the cost price and rate of depreciation given. With the help of these two figures we can find out the amount of the depreciation. Depreciation equal to cost of the asset into rate, that is 1,40,000 into 20% equal to 28,000 is the amount of depreciation. So the first year the amount of depreciation equal to 28,000. Now we are going to calculate second year's depreciation. But in the case of a straight line method, the amount of depreciation will be charged during 5 years will be the same amount, that is 28,000. But here the problem is to calculate the amount of depreciation under written down value method. In written down value method, usually we calculate the amount of depreciation on reducing balance. Here, at the end of the first accounting period, the reducing balance of or the closing balance of the equipment equal to 1,40,000 minus 28,000 equal to 1,12,000 is the amount of cost of the asset. This amount is the 1,12,000 is the outstanding amount of second year. Then calculate the amount of depreciation on 1,12,000. Then calculate the depreciation during the second year. Second year's depreciation equal to 1,12,000 into 20%, that is 22,400. Then next step is to calculate the amount of depreciation on third year. During the third year, the outstanding amount or the reducing balance amount will be 1,12,000 minus 22,400, that is 89,600 is the closing balance of second year. This amount is the opening balance of third year. So calculate the amount of depreciation on outstanding amount, that is 89,600 into 20% equal to 17,920 is the third year, is the amount of depreciation during third year. The next step is to calculate the amount of depreciation during fourth year. The outstanding or the reducing amount of cost of the machinery equal to 89,600 minus 17,920, that is 71,680 is the reducing amount of the machinery. Then calculate the depreciation on 71,680. That is 71,680 into 20% equal to 14,336. Then calculate, and this amount is the 14,336 is the reducing amount during the fourth year. This amount is the outstanding or the amount of the cost of the machinery at the beginning of the fifth year. Then charge depreciation on this outstanding amount. 71,680 minus 14,336, net amount equal to 57,344. Then charge depreciation on 57,344, that is 57,344 into 20% equal to 11,469 is the fourth year amount of depreciation. After calculating this 5 years depreciation, next step is to journalize the transaction. For journalizing, first we want to write the journal entry for first year. That is the first journal entry, that is equipment purchased. Entry, equipment account debtor 1,40,000 to cash account 1,40,000. Then at the end of the first year, on 31st December, charge depreciation, entry depreciation account debted to machinery account, how much? 28,000. Then write off the amount of depreciation, entry profit loss account debted to depreciation account, 28,000. Then during the second year, charge depreciation entry, depreciation account debted to machinery account, 22,400, being depreciation charged. The next entry, same day, at the end of the second year, entry profit loss account to depreciation, 22,400, being depreciation written off. Then during the third year, at the end of the third year, entry depreciation account debted to machinery account, 17,920, being depreciation charged. Then same day, entry, next we want to pass journal entry for depreciation written off, entry profit loss account debted to depreciation account, 17,920. Then fourth year, at the end of the fourth year, depreciation charged, entry depreciation account to machinery account, 14,336. Then pass the journal entry for depreciation written off, entry profit loss account debted to depreciation account, amount 14,336. Then calculate the after calculating 5th year's depreciation, pass the journal entry, that is depreciation account debted to machinery account, 11,469, being depreciation charged. Then at the end of the 5th year, same day, enter the entry for depreciation written off, entry profit loss account debted to depreciation, 11,469, being depreciation written off. These are the journal entries to be passed while recording in the book of the party. Then at the end of the accounting period, that is 2015, the salvage value of the asset equal to 57,344 minus 11,469, that is 45,875 is the salvage value. These are the important steps to be passed while passing the journal entry in the book of the company while depreciation charged. Thank you.